Hey there, I'm Baker Betty here with Red Star to demystify all of your questions about yeast. And let's talk about fresh yeast. Now, fresh yeast, also sometimes known as cake yeast, was the original form of yeast available to home bakers. And the main difference between fresh yeast and dried yeast is the moisture content. Because it does have such a high moisture content, it does need to be refrigerated, and it also has a much shorter shelf life of 8 weeks compared to 2 years for dried yeast. Cake yeast has been sold in a variety of sizes throughout the years, but these days it is sold in 2-ounce cakes. Now, if you want to convert a recipe that calls for cake yeast to using dried yeast, you will want to use 1 7-gram package or 2 1/4 teaspoon of dried yeast for every 0.6 ounces or 1/3 of a 2-ounce cake of fresh yeast. Now, you can do this with active dry or instant yeast. If your recipe does not specify the amount of cake yeast that it called for, you will want to use 1 7-gram package for every 480 grams or 4 cups of flour. Or you can refer to the Red Star website for the chart that tells you how much yeast you should use based on your recipe's flour volume. And follow along for more yeast facts.